Welcome to this video, exploring the crucial distinction between machine learning and artificial intelligence, often simply called AI. First, we will define the foundational concepts that shape the landscape of modern intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the broadest category. It simulates human intelligence processes like learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI aims to create machines that can function intelligently in various environments. Machine learning, or ML, is a specialized application of AI. Instead of being explicitly programmed, ML systems use algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and then make predictions. It learns through mathematical optimization and improves with more data. The key distinction is learning. Traditional AI relies on humans defining every single rule, while machine learning discovers rules by observing patterns, shifting the burden of rulemaking to the computer. Machines learn through three main methods: supervised learning, where algorithms train on labeled data; unsupervised learning, where the system finds patterns in unlabeled data; and reinforcement learning, which is based on interaction, rewards, and penalties. The transition from expert-coded systems to data-driven learning models has accelerated exponentially since the deep learning breakthrough in 2012. We are now in an era of ML/DL dominance. Comparing general AI to machine learning, general AI simulates human intelligence with manual, logic-driven programming, and broad decision-making. ML, however, learns from specific data using algorithmic and adaptive programming for predictive modeling, requiring big data. The explosion of digital data made rule writing impossible for humans, which is why learning won. Today, 90% of modern AI is ML-based, allowing software to write its own rules, enabling systems like ChatGPT and self-driving cars. We see learning in action everywhere. Static AI, like a programmable thermostat, follows fixed rules. Learning AI, like Netflix recommendations, predicts behavior. Deep learning enables machines to recognize objects in real-time video, like in self-driving cars. The distinction matters because ML provides scalability, processing millions of variables no human could code. It allows dynamic adaptation, retraining as data changes. However, it creates the black box problem, making it harder to explain why a specific choice was made.